The exciting thing about this new era that we're entering is that people have very unique ideas about how Blockspace is going to help their business and serve their business. And sometimes that requires customization. So the MIT license is basically the most permissive software license that exists. And basically what it says is, we release this code out there. You may do with it what you wish, kind of unconditionally. And that's a really powerful tool. And it's also very counterintuitive, I think, to many in the traditional software space, because historically, you write valuable software, what you want to do is own it, right? You want to control it. You've got to slap a license on it. That's where your sweet value is going to come from. And part of the paradigm shift of public block space and of coming on chain is to understand that that is actually not where the core value lies. The core value lies in the actual state space, the actual chain itself, not the software infrastructure that's running it. If you look at the innovation that's occurring on the OP stack and the number of different ways that different customers are able to basically implement different features on the product, shorter block times, different block building policies, different gas tokens, different what we would call data availability layers, which kind of impacts the cost of a transaction. All of these things are easier to build on the OP stack than anywhere else because we have built a highly modular architecture. That means you don't have to run it through a million lines of spaghetti code to make the kind of change that you want to empower your business.
Enterprises want to own their own infrastructure. They don't want to hire up their own team of dedicated blockchain engineers, but they still want to be able to manage that infrastructure and customize it to fit the unique needs of their users. And so that is what we provide. And you can see from the diversity of our customers, whether it's the largest exchanges in the world choosing the OP stack, or projects like World and Cello, which are really based on emerging economies where the average transaction size is only 25 cents, and they're really optimizing for the human user experience. All of these use cases are able to be built on the OP stack.
What makes or breaks a chain stack is how well audited, how secure, how much you can trust it. And so we've just been out here for so many years, battle testing it, getting audit after audit. The code is open source. You can read it yourself. You can deploy it yourself. You can see it working. And at the end of the day, that is what grants the confidence to bring your enterprise on chain.
The timelines are definitely not the bottleneck of like deployment at this point. We can do that for you really in a snap of our fingers, like a few shell commands and it's up and running. Obviously, the work of deploying a chain includes more than just getting that server up and running. It's building an ecosystem, figuring out the plan of what the heck you want to do to it. So our goal is to make it so that customers can spend no time on the infrastructure baggage of like setting things up and deploying them, and just focus on how in this new paradigm, they can take advantage and move the business forward.